ये बॉटल मैंने पीवीआर से ली थी जब मैंने मूवी देखी RRR, तो हम घर ले आए हैं।
पीवीआर
तो हम इसको घर ले आए हैं और वीडियो स्टार्ट करते हैं।
yes.
Good morning, good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Namaskaram. My name is Nikhil.
Namaskaram everyone, I'm Bani and welcome you all to
To
the Sorry
Sorry TV.
This is a one-stop channel for all your entertainment on YouTube.
Alright guys, welcome back. And
Yes.
It has been a long time.
Almost a week.
More than a week I would say. मेरी तबीयत खराब थी. I underwent a small surgery and it is still paining and it would take time for me to recover. तो आगे थोड़ा डिले हो सकता है और वीडियोस के अंदर, but whenever I feel better I come and sit in front of the camera and I'll shoot.
And first of all, thank you to all the YouTube family and the Instagram family
Instagram
who
special.
actually took care of us during this time and they were actually
They
concerned.
asked. They didn't take care. They asked.
They asked basically.
They actually cared and asked. They didn't do anything like they took care. What do you mean by took care?
मतलब अपने इतने busy schedule से भी they went to their Instagram, they pinged us that how's Nikhil doing, how
I
is
apologize.
Nikhil? Yes, because मेरे पास दोनों phones थे and
Okay, हम बता दें यहाँ पे किस लिए हैं?
हाँ, हम हैं क्योंकि हम मूवी देख के आ चुके हैं RRR, so we are here for the first time to give an official review of the movie so that if you have not seen it, just go and watch it. It's a worthy movie. And those who have seen it, just enjoy this review with us and do let us know in the comment section कि आपका कौन सा favorite part रह चुका है इस मूवी के लिए या कौन सा बेस्ट अच्छा लगा है.
Okay, so ये मूवी ना basically 3 phases में divided है.
Yes.
ठीक है, phase 1, 2, 3. ये हमने divide किया. डायरेक्टर ने किस किया होगा वो उनका मेथड होगा, but this movie is divided into 3 phases. Actually 3 hours.
Yes, and to give the introduction of those 3 hours, it took the director 36 minutes worthy introduction ताकि आपकी ऑडियंस पूरी स्टिक रहे उस मूवी के साथ टिल द एंड.
मूवी बहुत स्लो तरीके से चलती है. इट इज नॉट अ फास्ट मूवी. अगर आप एक्सपेक्ट कर रहे हैं जाके मूवी यू स्टोरी भागेगी, ऐसा नहीं होगा. मूवी धीरे धीरे अपना पेस पकड़ती है और एंड में पूरी एक्शन ओरिएंटेड मूवी है. इफ यू आर देयर कि आप वहां पर जाके ये कहेंगे कि ये फिजिक्स में पॉसिबल नहीं है, तो आप मत जाइए. आप अपने पैसे मत वेस्ट कीजिए एंड आप घर पे बैठिए, केबल पे देखिए या फिर रोइए कि आपने वो मूवी नहीं देखी.
Movie, I would say.
It's not exactly fiction. Maybe it is true or not, but you can comment us ki whether it is based on true story or not. There was nothing like this mentioned that it is a true story, but the concept of the movie is well thought, well written, well executed, well directed.
Yes, and that the story was from the pre-independence time.
Right.
The way the revolution was started from different parts of the country, and the way the main motive was same, but the actions were different.
Right.
Yes.
The movie revolves around a girl called Malli. And she got abducted from a place that is in a forest near south. और वहाँ से she gets into Delhi.
Yes.
Just to be a slave to the British people. और उनका जो ट्राइब है, जो गोंडा ट्राइब जिसको कहते हैं, वो
the head of the Gonda tribe took challenge and like
he is known as a protector.
Yes, the protector of the tribe.
मुझे लगा तू बोल रही है.
Oh, I'm so sorry. Protector of the tribe and he took the responsibility कि वो मल्ली को join करेंगे दोबारा अपने tribe से. So he took an initiative with 3 to 4 people. जैसा हमने ट्रेलर में देखा था that Bhim is covered in a Muslim attire. वो basically एक disguise था ताकि वो अपनी identity reveal ना कर सकें. Yes.
And then there is this another character called Ram. He is serving as an officer in the British Army.
Yes.
And British police.
Yes.
And very handsome. बहुत एक्शन ओरिएंटेड, बहुत तेज दिखाया है.
Yes.
Very focused guy. Initially ऐसा लगता है कि he is on the side of British, but down the line when the things roll up, he is actually has a motive.
Yes.
और वो अजय देवगन के बेटे होते हैं.
Yes.
Spoiler alert again.
जो कि ऑलरेडी ब्रिटिश आर्मी को सर्व कर चुके होते हैं एंड देन ही वेंट सोलो एंड ब्रिटिश आर्मी उनको किल कर देती है. बट द मूवी, ट्रस्ट मी, द मूवी इज सुपर डुपर. देयर वाज रोल ऑफ आलिया भट्ट आल्सो एंड हमने थिएटर में सुना था पीपल वर सेइंग दैट टोटल स्क्रीन टाइम दैट आलिया भट्ट गॉट वाज ऑफ 20 to 30 minutes ओनली, बट स्टिल वर्दी.
राइट. एंड आलिया भट्ट यहाँ पे कैरेक्टर प्ले कर रही हैं सीता का जो राम की फियांसे है, जो बचपन से उनके साथ रहती हैं. एंड शी प्रेज कि वो बिल्कुल ठीक वापस आ जाए अपने गांव में. और वो अपने गांव में कसम खा के आए होते हैं राम कि मैं सबको वेपन दूंगा जो अजय देवगन उनको बता के गए हैं कि yes this would be the cause, अगर आप सबको weapons दे दें we would be able to fight the British army and have the freedom.
Yes.
So he takes up a challenge and gets into the British forces to get those weapons.
Yes.
That is the motive of him.
And coming to the action and coming to
Parallelly-
the videography of the movie.
Parallelly, there is another story running where Bhim
Okay.
goes to Delhi to get the girl back to the tribe. अभी दोनों चीजें साथ चल रही हैं and the British government comes to know that there is this assassin from the Gonda tribe who's here to kill the governor.
No, who's not there to kill the governor, who can do anything, whatever obstacle comes in his way, he is ready to do anything to get that girl back to the tribe.
Right.
Yes.
And these guys become friends, saving someone. आप वो मूवी में देखिए.
हाँ.
I'm not gonna get into real details of the story, but down the line they start fighting each other and end up betraying, and
Then,
in the end,
yes, uniting
suddenly
again.
they unite again.
Yes.
And fight the British army. Now coming back to the best part of this movie is the action.
Yes, the best part was the action and the looks of Ram. I just loved his looks.
The action is so well packed ki every aspect, the
Yeah.
bow from the arrow
Yes.
till the target is projected in a certain moment कि तुम्हें लगेगा यार it is actually flying. It just comes
even
into
the
your
bullets
face.
also, even the bullets
Even the
also.
bullets as well.
Yes, and जो आपने ट्रेलर में देखा होगा, there is a tiger scene. वो tiger scene is just 1 or 2% of the movie, and in the movie it is covered in such a beautiful way कि in every action scene na you will get goosebumps,
Right.
and your eyes will just stick to the screen.
So it is a 3-hour long movie,
हाँ.
and
And हमने
if you
3D
think
में देखी है.
हाँ,
Yes.
you must watch it in 3D.
Yes.
And
Good experience.
if you think this 3-hour movie बहुत लंबी है, I would say आपको पता नहीं चलेगा कि 3 घंटे कहाँ चले गए.
हाँ.
Because this is the like बहुत लेटेस्ट टाइम कि हमने अभी बहुत टाइम बाद पिक्चर देखी और we were off our seats. हम सीट के बिल्कुल एज पे थे कि अब क्या होगा, अब क्या
Yes.
होगा, अब फाइट सीन आ रहा है, एंड यू स्टार्ट enjoying with it. उसमें ऐसा नहीं था कि मजाक हो रहा है. It kind of look realistic, but you know it is impossible, but still you enjoy that.
Yes.
That is the essence of RRR.
Yes.
I'll go into the candid view to her. Just
Okay.
asking कि मुझे candid बता and give your rating, then I'll give my rating and we'll wrap this up.
ठीक है. So candid view में the story of the complete movie, that thing, the first thing is the way the movie is recorded. क्योंकि 3 घंटे ना हमारे वो नहीं गए. 3 घंटे we were just sticking to the screen also, and we actually enjoyed it. And the action, there is no comparison of the action of this movie with anything. It was very good. So from my end, I will give 5. So 5 on 5 goes for RRR from Bani.
I'll also give 5. ठीक है. Rama Raju who played the Bhim character was so powerful that had been
Yes.
shown. तो वो मुझे बहुत अट्रैक्ट किया and genuinely powerful. ऐसा नहीं कि यार एक अलग लेवल का powerful that कुछ ऐसा हो रहा है. And fuck Avengers. This was like good.
Epic, ये तो action.
This was epic.
Yes.
So अगर आपने ये मूवी नहीं देखी, you must go and watch
Yes.
it. We still didn't reveal the everything of the movie, but most of the
Mostly हमने
movie
सारी चीजें बता दी है, but definitely you gonna enjoy it and मजा आएगा.
you're gonna fall in love with it.
Yes.
This is RRR on the official channel of Sorted TV.
Yes.
कुछ
So
समझ
now
नहीं आया तो
wrapping
ये
it
बोल
up.
दिया.
So now wrapping it up. He is Nikhil. I'm Bani. You can follow him on Insta with Nick. Insta with Bani on Instagram. Adios.
Quite a serious review, I believe. Yes, ladies and gentlemen, quite a serious review.
Bye
See you.
bye. Bye bye.